Thousands of people gathered outside Buckingham Palace earlier this afternoon as the darkness covers the night sky and night came down, which saw more people gathering in front this wonderful monument that stands in London. As many wept openly, many remembered the fond memories that they would have shared right at this very spot. And to make matters even worse, some would have remembered the Jubilee that was just held a few months ago. And some even laid flowers and also different cards along the pavement that lies the Buckingham Palace. We here at Links 007 TV now have some highlights of different aspects of this to share with you.